I'm expecting this on the gold for the next week. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna analyze the gold market to see if there are interesting opportunities for the next week. I don't know if you trade the gold, but it's very liquid and you're gonna make an impressive amount of money if you're diligent and if you follow your strategy. So let's jump to the analysis. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. The price is clearly below the 200 EMA. Situation is pretty clear, and now during the middle of the summer and here in September, the price formed these two bottoms here. The first one was touching the 17. Then we got a retracement retesting the 50 EMA, pushing the price between the 200 and the 50 EMA. Then sellers took control again and pushed the price down again, retesting targeting the 1700. So I think there are interesting trading opportunities for the next week. Analyzing the candles, as you can see from the Friday candle, we can spot an interesting seller pressure. Okay, sellers are putting a lot of pressure to target the 1680 level, previously touched July the 21. So what can happen if sellers are strong enough to push the price down? I'm expecting the market to retest the 1680. Okay. So in my day trading journey, I will look for a bearish environment for a short one. Okay. But since the market is unpredictable and we don't know where effectively the price will go, we may expect the price to go up. Okay, so the buyers take control after this rebound on the 1700 psychological level, and now it's acting like a support zone. Okay, the buyers may push the price again to 1750, retesting this very strong resistance zone and getting close to the 50 MA. So those are the possibilities for the next week. Of course, it may lateralize between 1750 and 17. So we will have like a ranging market, and we will trade according to our ranging strategies. We must keep an eye on the dollar. Okay. So those are my thoughts for the upcoming week. Let's see what will happen and which patterns will form in the lower time frames. I trade a 5-minute time frame, so I will take a nice look at the 30-minute time frame. For today is everything. Let me know under the comments what do you think, what do you expect from the gold, and if you're trading it, share your opinion, your experience. You're very, very, very welcome. So for today is everything. See you soon. Bye bye.